In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and manage languages and keyboards in Windows 11. If you've ever needed to type in another language, practice a new keyboard layout, or prepare your device for multilingual use, this walkthrough will get you set up quickly and confidently. We'll keep it simple while giving you the context you need to make the right choices for your setup. Start by opening the Settings app on your Windows PC. The fastest way is to press the Windows key and the letter I together, but you can also open the Start menu and select the Settings icon. Once Settings is open, look to the left sidebar and choose Time and Language. This section controls everything related to your system's language, typing, and regional formatting. Next, select Language and Region. Here you'll see the Preferred Languages list, which shows the languages currently available on your device. To add a new one, click Add a Language under the Preferred Languages section. A search window will appear with a long list of languages. Use the search box to find the language you want, select it from the results, and then click Next to install. On the next screen, Windows shows you what features are available for that language, such as basic typing support or speech. You can keep the default selections if you're not sure, then proceed. Installation may take a moment, and you'll need an internet connection if any components need to be downloaded. When it's done, the new language will appear in your Preferred Languages list. To fine-tune how this language works on your device, click the three dots next to it. This menu lets you open options and confirm everything is in place. In Language Options, make sure the keyboard layout you plan to use is installed. You'll see a keyboard section that lists any layouts available for that language. If the one you expect isn't visible, add it here so your typing matches the language's standard layout. This is especially helpful if the language uses different characters or a specific regional layout. That's all you need to add a language and confirm the right keyboard layout is set up. If you're on a work or school device, you might notice some options are managed by your organization, which is normal. Otherwise, your new language is ready to use across compatible apps and settings. Thanks for watching. With these steps, you've expanded your Windows experience and made your device more flexible for communication, learning, and work.